Our brains are naturally wired to chase novelty because encountering something new activates the reward system and boosts dopamine. Research shows that when a new stimulus appears, dopamine neurons fire rapidly in reward-related regions of the brain. In ancestral life, novelty was rare. Food looked similar every day, travel meant walking to the next village, and emotions were steady. Happiness increased slightly with good food or community moments, and stress dipped only a little during hardship. Today, the brain lives in a world overflowing with new things. Social media, notifications, endless entertainment, new gadgets, shocking headlines, surprising stories. Dopamine spikes quickly every time something fresh grabs our attention. Then, as soon as the novelty fades, dopamine drops sharply. This creates emotional roller coasters, high excitement followed by sudden lows. Researchers describe novelty-seeking as a personality trait that pushes people to explore and take risks. Studies find that novelty activates dopamine pathways that are also linked to addictive behaviors. This pattern makes people less tolerant of ordinary experiences and always hungry for stronger stimulation. The brain becomes like a child in a toy shop. Everything new is irresistible, but boredom arrives fast. This craving for newness also affects how we process information. When a rumor, dramatic claim, or strange headline appears, the brain reacts strongly, not because it's true, but because it's new. Novelty grabs attention faster than accuracy. Studies show that people with higher novelty-seeking tendencies are more vulnerable to risky behavior, impulsive decisions, and yes, believing questionable information simply because it feels exciting. This creates a cycle. Something new appears, dopamine rises, interest fades, dopamine drops, brain demands something even more stimulating. Over time, individuals become emotionally fragile, constantly chasing stimulation rather than building steady well-being. Research highlights that novelty activates distinct neural circuits separate from regular rewards. That means the drive for new is not exactly about pleasure. It's about difference and surprise. And when this chase becomes constant, ordinary joys feel empty. Patience weakens and stability is undervalued. Understanding this pattern helps us take back control. Notice when your brain is chasing new purely out of restlessness. Balance exciting novelty with stable sources of joy, meaningful relationships, healthy routines, and real-world engagement. Aim for slow, steady emotional curves instead of dramatic spikes and crashes. By managing our novelty-seeking brain, we protect ourselves from misinformation, impulsive choices, and emotional instability. We learn to enjoy both the fireworks of excitement and the quiet comfort of everyday life.